Welcome to the Amalfi Coast. Italy's Amalfi Coast is a dream destination. It's a breathtaking coastline. The coast sits on the Sorrentine Peninsula. This is in southern Italy. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its beauty. The villages here are charming. They cling to the cliffs. The cliffs rise dramatically from the Tyrrhenian Sea. The sea shimmers and sparkles below. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Amalfi Coast is a sensory feast. The scent of lemons fills the air. The taste of fresh seafood lingers on your tongue. The sound of waves crashing against the rocks is soothing. This is a place to relax and unwind. It's a place to create lasting memories. Welcome to the Amalfi Coast. The houses on the Amalfi Coast are a delight. They are a kaleidoscope of colors. You'll see houses painted in vibrant hues. Think lemon yellow, terracotta orange and deep blue. Each house seems to tell a story. These houses are stacked precariously. They cling to the steep cliffs. They're adorned with bougainvillea. The flowers cascade down the walls. It's like something out of a fairy tale. The colors of the houses are not accidental. They reflect the history of the region. Bright colors were used by fishermen. They could spot their homes from the sea. Today, the colors add to the charm. Stroll through the narrow streets. Soak in the vibrant atmosphere. You'll fall in love with the charm. The Amalfi Coast has a unique charm. It's unforgettable. The Amalfi Coast boasts breathtaking views. The coastline is dramatic and rugged. Towering cliffs plunge into the azure waters. Hidden coves beckon with their secluded beauty. The best way to experience the coastal splendor is by boat. Glide along the turquoise waters, feel the gentle sea breeze, marvel at the sheer cliffs. As you sail along the coast, you'll discover hidden gems. Tiny beaches are tucked away in secluded coves. Grottos shimmer with an ethereal glow. Each turn reveals a new wonder. The play of light and shadow on the cliffs is mesmerizing. The sun sets over the horizon. The sky explodes in a riot of colors. It's a sight you'll never forget. Must-see attractions, unforgettable experiences. The Amalfi Coast is brimming with attractions. From charming villages to historic landmarks, there's something for everyone. Here are a few must-sees. Positano, this iconic village is a photographer's dream. Colorful houses cascade down the hillside to the beach. Enjoy shopping, dining, and stunning views. Amalfi, the town of Amalfi, gives the coast its name. Visit the magnificent Duomo di Amalfi, a 9th century cathedral. Explore the charming piazzas and soak in the atmosphere. Ravello, perched high above the coast, Ravello offers unparalleled views. Visit the Villa Ruffolo and its enchanting gardens. Enjoy a concert at the Ravello Festival, Path of the Gods. This scenic hiking trail offers breathtaking views of the coastline. Hike through forests, past lemon groves and along dramatic cliffs. These are just a few of the many attractions the Amalfi Coast has to offer. Every town and village has its own unique charm and allure. Picture-perfect moments, best photography spots. The Amalfi Coast is a photographer's paradise. Every corner offers a postcard-worthy view. Here are a few spots to capture stunning photos. Positano from the sea. Take a boat trip to capture the iconic view of Positano's colorful houses cascading down the hillside. Infinity Terrace at Villa Simbrone, Ravello. This terrace offers breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline. It's the perfect spot for a sunset photo. Fiordo di Furore, this hidden gem, is a narrow fjord with a small beach. The contrast of the turquoise water and the towering cliffs is simply stunning. Path of the Gods. Capture the dramatic views of the coastline from various points along the scenic hiking trail. Remember to bring your camera everywhere you go. You'll want to capture every moment of your Amalfi Coast adventure. Conclusion: the magic of the Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a magical place. It's a place where beauty knows no bounds. From the colorful houses to the dramatic coastal views, every moment is a feast for the senses. The charm of the Amalfi Coast lingers long after you've left. The scent of lemons, the sound of waves, and the warmth of the Italian sun will forever be etched in your memory. This is a place to relax, recharge, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The Amalfi Coast is calling. Answer the call and discover the magic for yourself.